Welcome! Today we are going to make the easiest, quickest reindeer themed Christmas crafts for Christmas decor using Jenga block woods. So I took some Jenga block woods. Next I'm using some googly eyes. They are the cute little craft items. I'm going to stick a pair of them on each Jenga blocks on the upper 1/3 portion. The bigger the better. They look so cute and nice. Next, I'm going to add 2 black buttons for making the nose of the reindeer and 1 red button for Rudolf specially. Then I'm taking some wire ties. These are small ones. Just use size appropriate wire ties, fold them into 1/2 and twist the 2 ends and fix it on top of the Jenga block to form the reindeer horns. And you have the cutest bunch of reindeers ready for the Christmas. For the second reindeer Christmas DIY, I have this printed paper with Santa and reindeers and Christmas tree and everything. This is from a kids magazine. So save any prints that you get from magazines, shopping bags, calendars, greeting cards. Use them in your decor. I'm just going to cut this piece out carefully without destroying the Merry Christmas words. I'm going to use it in the third DIY. And I just cut it out. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Just comfortably do it. And just to give it a little more stiffness, I'm going to stick this over a piece of cardboard or even a hard cardstock paper and trim it to the shape. Next, how to make it stand. Again, Jenga blocks. Now I took a thin strip of cardboard such that its width can accommodate 2 Jenga blocks and the length can accommodate 3 because that's the size of my print here. And then I'm going to glue a stack of Jenga block woods at the back and then place my print or pattern in front, stick it there or don't stick it there. You can change it and then make one more layer in front and glue everything strongly together. Trim off any extra cardboard that's peeking out using scissors. Do it when things are dry, that's better. Just let it dry and you're ready for decor. My third Jenga block wood reindeer Christmas craft. Now I took a piece of cardboard and a white cardstock paper. It's rectangular. I'm going to make a sign. Now one just need to be careful how big you need to cut your cardboard. It should be able to accommodate the Jenga blocks on the periphery, Jenga block woods in the periphery so as to make it look like a wooden frame. So that's one thing to take into consideration, otherwise you will need to cut your blocks. So once I'm satisfied with this, I'm just going to glue everything in place. Now I just took care of one thing, is that I picked the Jenga block woods which have the texture or the beautiful patterned wood grains. Now you can always stain or paint them. I like the natural look. So once it's stuck, the basic sign is ready. Now remember this Merry Christmas that I saved? I'm going to cut it out and glue it in the bottom part of my sign. Next, I took again a black wire tie for the contrast with twisted ends and stick it on the top portion. Then I took a wooden button and stick it on the front of this wire tie. Now this becomes the reindeer face with the horns. Now a red nose, again a red button, and the little holes on the button serve as eyes of the reindeer. I felt a little green was missing, so I even tried to fit in a little green bow, and I think I have the cutest reindeer Christmas sign ready. I'm so happy with this collection of reindeer crafts for Christmas decor using Jenga blocks. So easy, so quick. So enjoy crafting, everyone. And my today's video is part of the What Would You Make challenge that is hosted monthly by Zana from OK at Home DIY and Coney from Coney's Creative Creations, and this month co-hosted by Shelly from Repurposed My Way. Do come back soon for more craft ideas. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a blessed day.